Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's IYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on iPhone after the new iOS 18 update. So guys, Apple released recently new iOS 18 version for iPhone XS to iPhone 15 Pro Max. And when I update my iPhone on iOS 18, Wi-Fi is not working on my iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this issue, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Number one is basic troubleshooting problem. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on. Tap on settings, tap on Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi is turned on and not working, simply turn it off and turn it on back and connect your iPhone with Wi-Fi. Tap on it, enter the correct password and connect your iPhone with Wi-Fi and fix Wi-Fi not working problem. If solution number one is not working, applying this solution number two. Solution number two is restart your iPhone. Force restart your iPhone by press the volume up button, volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely rebooted, your problem is fixed and Wi-Fi is working on iPhone. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is check your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your Wi-Fi network is working properly and that you are in range. If you are in range and Wi-Fi network is properly working but Wi-Fi is not working on your iPhone, restart your router and modem by unplugging them, waiting for 30 seconds and plugging them back in and fix your problem. If solution number three is not working, applying the solution number four. Solution number four is check iPhone settings. Check Wi-Fi settings. Go to the settings, tap on it and tap on connected Wi-Fi and you can see appears on screen Wi-Fi is working. Connect your Wi-Fi is turned on. Connect your iPhone with Wi-Fi. Connect iPhone with another Wi-Fi and fix your problem. If all Wi-Fi connections are not working on your iPhone, simply reset your iPhone network settings. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up, tap on general, little bit scroll up again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset network settings, enter your screen time passcode, enter screen time passcode, reset your iPhone network settings and when your iPhone network setting is completely restored, your problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is update your router's firmware. Check with your router's manufacturer or updates. If update is available, download and install update on your firmware on your router and fix your Wi-Fi not working problem. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, contact with support.apple.com for further assistance. If your iPhone is dropped down and iPhone antenna is weak or damaged, simply visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer to fix Wi-Fi not working on iPhone after the new iOS 18 update. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.